Fuck. The first pass that you drop, you fucked the game up. Mike Wayne, you didn't know that you fucked the game up. My niggas can't shoot no more. They on for 6, bro. Mike Wayne, we want wall. We want peace no more. Mike Wayne, you do this shit. You put us in a bad position. Now my niggas fucked up. Like the head missing. We turned into head hunters. Now we hunt for Mike Wayne. It's a bad summer. It's a bad winter. No Christmas on the tree, it's a bad bitch. No presents under the tree, it's a bad Christmas. Man, I'm talking to my man, I'm making senses. OG played against someone who was using now, well, not today, but this is the video you guys are getting today. I hope you guys hit the like. This is really what they use now, this Titan. And then they need scripts and stuff to make it work as well. So it's like everybody got a different medicine prescription script to where they can shoot a certain shot and automatically hit it. This guy has a great script. Somebody actually asked him while I was live streaming. This is going to be the live stream recording footage of the game. Raw, no cuts, none of that. Right? And you're going to see how he went crazy the first game and hit this crazy last shot. And I already knew in my mind, yeah, he had his end. I got a YouTube strike for showing the VC method, VC glitch, Zen thing. But I was showing it so it can get patched. But I guess me showing it shows the other guys that got Zens and 2K loses money or whatever the case was. So they are serious about that because it's the money aspect and the, controlling the narrative aspect. I get it. I understand. Right? I'm not mad about that extra. But still, you guys can't get this stuff patched. It's crazy. So, watch how the first game, right? He's going crazy. You guys will be able to tell he has a Zen. He has the one where he can shoot standing shots and fades. You guys will be able to tell. And then the second match, I go to play him again, and then we clamp him up and we shut it all down. And show you guys me locking up a Zen user as well. It's more easier because they're playing within a ways more of a certain pattern. You play against a good team, they're actually doing something, and they're actually all nice and they can shoot without a Zen. You see a big difference. Hit that like, subscribe, man. Let's get into it. Hell no, we here, nigga. Yeah! Fade off the ripsters? Shot. Bro shooting a little confident. Like Zen talk to me. Ooh.
I ain't gonna lie, these other two dudes, they just on the court for screens, bro.
Bad. Pass. Shot. I'm gonna bait off, bro, because I see what he's doing. He's running behind his man. You guard him. I got it. Watch this. I see how you want to play. I'm gonna force him to pass. Nope. Cut that peek off. Ah! Yes, sir. Whoa, he made that. Oh, hell no. Zenster. Pizza Hut, double. Do you ever play in theater? I stopped. I kind of like wanted to get into the park this year. I would go in theater, but I'm like, nah, let me get into the park. Bro got a Zen. Bro really has a Zen. Yo. Bro really has a Zen. He's shooting too fast. That's how I know he has one. And he's just left sticking. He's trying left stick all the time. He has a Zen. He has a Zen. He has a Zen. That's crazy, bro. So that's why you was talking shit to me, bro? Because you knew you had a Zen in your back pocket. You like, bro, I'm going to fuck you up if I play you, Brody.
That's crazy, bro. You for sure have a Zen. I know people can shoot from that far from half court, but no, I can just tell the way he's playing, bro. All right, let me play extra D on him.
Yeah, just hey, you stay on him, bro. Stay on him. I got your help if you get past.
Yeah, that. Oh, he gonna shoot half court. Yeah. Oh man, I forgot he could shoot that deep. I got a full court press him. Get a 3 right here. Let's try to get a 3 if we can. Oh, it's cool. I got it. I got reboard. Boom, boom. There it is. Ah, deep. One more time. 2 for $1. There it is.
Don't work.
He said his Zen don't work. Hold up. No, he has a Zen, bro. Look how he... Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. No, bro. You can tell by the confidence. Yeah, it's good D. Bang, bang. Did they sell you like that? That's the game. That's the game. I'm not even mad at it. That's the game, bro. Bro got a Zen. Yo, bro. You too hood to have a Zen, bro. Are you serious? Hell no, we here, nigga. Yo! Yo! Bro came out with the Zen and was Q. Bro, well, hey, this is your first game. I put it on everything I love. He has a Zen. Bro, I study 2K too well, bro. Bro, you're yo. Right, we would have won. Yeah, that was a lag, bro. That was nothing. We won that, bro. That's a W on us. Come on, y'all. All 21. I'm uploading this shit, bro. This shit crazy. And you almost lost, bro. Bro, I could tell off the beginning, bro. The first fade he shot, that's a super elite fade. I feel like only like a pro hitting some shit like that. I'm telling you. He shot that on both of us contesting. I jumped, bro. I pressed triangle from half court. That's getting uploaded. I don't got Zen. Yeah, right, London. You're not gonna fool me, London. Oh, that's not even my boy. That's not even what's. I'm back. All right, what's up? Oh shit, hold up, team. Who I look like now? Bro really pulled up with the Zenny. I'm asleep. You see that, Brody? Oh shit, he back. Fuck. My fault, team. Who I look like now? I still look like A Boogie and Jay-Z. Good pass. Bro, why you keep pulling up with your Zen, bro? Oh my god, bro. Look at him. Good help. I want to run because I think he's going to start passing now. I can see him. He probably going to try harder with his team now and shit. Come out. It's going to be a free shot. Bang, bang. Told you. I got bored. Don't worry. You got another one. Whoa. They trying to sell you. Hold on. Hit that split for you. Oh, yeah, go up. Yes, sir. I could see an A Boogie mix else. Yeah, I've always heard people say A Boogie. I got like the same kind of like nose like how he got. Like Jay-Z. I'm asleep. That's like I used to call my brother Eddie Murphy. He looks nothing like Eddie Murphy, but I would always just say like, yo, you're too little down here, buddy. No, he stopped me. Give me that. Hold on. Let's see, back down. Yup. I'm jumped. Oh my god, he still made it 50%. Like, oh, that Zen is lethal. Bang bang. That shit is lethal, bro. All he needs is an inch. Bro got that super script. Now he gonna pass it. Dude try gonna pass it back to him. Give me that. Watch this still. Watch this still. Yeah. All right. If these two dudes have it, we good. No, he got loose. Fuck. Fucking Zen. See my teammate flop because he already know. Like, once he get that little space, that's it. Come on, bro. You ain't that skillful, my G. Stupid ass big man. Alright, come on. Let's get a stop, y'all. And he got his badge on now, too. His script is boosted up now. Cutting you off. Cutting you off. Nope. Nope. You see how I run into your body and mess up your window? Yes, sir. OG knows what he's doing, sir. Oh, my God. Why are they not? Give me that. Give me that back. Sorry, teammates. I don't know why they not letting me fucking stand and dunk on his little ass. Maybe he got some defense. I don't know. And you don't got no dribble moves, Brody. So you know how easy it is for me to guard you? You know how easy it is for me to guard you with your Zen? You have 0 dribble moves, nigga. 0. Y'all see how easy it is? I know he like, damn, yo, this nigga OG really the king. Oh, you shoot that, Brody. I got you. Go brick wall. Go brick wall, Brody. Don't worry, he gonna be stuck. Stuck like glue. I know he like, yo, this nigga OG really the king for real. Look at that shot. Yeah, you rushing now. You're a pussy. You're a Zen. You are a punk with a Zen, bruh. You're a punk with a Zen. That is sad. You are a sad case. Sad case. I'm here with you, Brody. Sad case. You're a sad case. You are a punk with a Zen. Y'all see how fast he trying to rush the shot up, y'all, to get the green window? Like that. Right to the top. There it is. Good pass. Beautiful. I was hoping he seen it. Beautiful, fellas. Ball movement. We gonna beat him by being fucking Indiana Pacers. Best passing team, I think, in the league. We gonna beat him by being the Indiana Pacers. I'm here. Yo, he Yo, bro, you are really whack with a Zen, bro. There's a sweaty bro who's way better than you with his Zen, and he actually gonna do some combos and shit and at least get a green window, like, you know. Wait, Eli, let me get it. Eli, you that thirsty for some chips? Good shot, my boy. Boy's fucking eating. No Zen and he's eating your ass, bro. No homo. No Zen and he's eating your ass, bro. I'ma foul you. Jail ball foul. I got some fouls to give. You want to play 2K? Let's foul. Let me foul him real quick, y'all. Let me give him some jail ball fouls. You want to cheat? I'll show you what we do. Yeah! You want to cheat? We'll show you what you did. Ah! Good pass. You want to cheat? Hey, shout out to the 2 niggas I'm running with. It's the first time I got some niggas that's like, damn, I could chill, play. We can drop some niggas off. Come on. Shout out to the 2 niggas I'm running with today. Best 2 niggas I ran with in a while. Ty Halliburton. Yeah, I think the Pacers are the best passing team in the league right now. I think they average like over 11 assists a game. All right, appreciate. Who's that? Key? Hey, shout out to my guy Key, man. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate the chill energy. Appreciate you doing what you do, passing all that IRL basketball IQ. Appreciate you, my guy. We're gonna run again. I'm trash. Yo, get off the court. Get off the court. You typing in my screen while you gotta walk off the court. Get off the court. GG's to my man Key, man. Shout out to him. Hey, Kayvon, I mean, if you want to run now. My guy's still running. You're trash. Aw, poor little Zen. Poor little Zen guy. I keep telling you I'm elite. Y'all think I'm just some park random or some shit. I keep telling y'all that shit. You give me a team with players that can shoot. It's over with. With my brain, it's over with. You're not even going to stand a chance. How I feel with that Zen. Hold on. Let me go take it. Let me go take, bro. Let me pee on this nigga real quick. We taking a leak on you, boy, on that robot suit. I pee on that robot suit. Nah, I gotta pee on bro, man. I'm feeling a little disrespectful, bro. You cheating? We over here trying to be a legit community, bring the community back up, show them IRL basketball. All my guys playing legit, and you want to cheat. All right, come on, Kayvon. We gonna run with my man Sean. Man, Sean been eating. Monster. Oh, and Vito, that's his man too. You got your butt buddy in the chat too.